Hello everyone and welcome to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I'm so glad you could join me. This is Dawn. I'm here to share a quick product reveal video for the Whimsy Stamps Howling Night Die Set. This is an 8-piece die set and I did cut them out for you so you can see what they look like when they're cut out. You get a moon that is embossed. I don't know if you could see the embossing on it. It's actually pretty cool. Kind of looks like craters on the moon. You get this really spooky like tree branch that you can put over the moon or on the side. You get 3 different wolves, one that's on all 4 legs, one that's sitting, and one that's standing up on 2 legs. You also get this cliff, and then it has the top of the cliff that's like grass. The wolves can stand on top of it, and the last piece that you get is the graveyard. You can make it as high as you want or as small as you want. If you use a bigger piece of paper like I did, all you have to do is cut the paper at the edge of it and it comes right out. I want to share a card I made with you. I used the Howling Night Die Set and I cut out the moon and I colored it in, and then I put this spooky tree branch over it. I also colored the cliff in with similar colors of the background so it kind of blended, and then I cut out the cemetery and I put it underneath the cliff, and I paired it up with the Slimline SurReally Cool Halloween paper pack and the ATC Trick or Treat house. I used the word beware. And that will complete my product reveal for today. I hope you enjoyed this release. Don't forget to head on over to the Whimsy Stamps website and check out the entire release that is available today. Also, we would love for you to subscribe to all the Whimsy Stamps social media platforms so you don't miss out on any new releases and inspirational videos. As always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.